5 tools. That is the entire workflow. Not 20 subscriptions, not a complicated stack that takes a day to configure. 5 tools that genuinely cover every category of work most creators, developers, and operators need in 2026. I built my entire workflow around exactly these 5. The monthly savings compared to their paid equivalents reaches well over $100 for most people, and significantly more for those replacing professional software suites. Simplicity is underestimated in software. Most professionals keep adding subscriptions without removing old ones. The stack grows, the monthly bill grows, and very few of those tools actually get used every day. In 2026, 5 well-chosen AI tools cover the full workflow for most creators, developers, and small business operators at zero or near zero cost. Here is the stack. First, Claude for every task that requires thinking: research, long-form writing, analysis, planning, code review, strategy, summarizing documents, drafting emails, reviewing contracts. Claude's free tier at claude.ai handles all of it, no credit card. Sonnet is the free default model, and it is strong enough for almost every use case. The honest limit? Message caps apply on the free tier. For most creators and operators, the daily allowance is more than adequate. When you hit it consistently, that is the signal the Pro plan at $20 a month is worth the upgrade. Make Claude the first stop for any task that requires judgment. It replaces a research tool, a writing assistant, and a strategy consultant at zero cost. Second, Canva AI for every visual deliverable: social media graphics, presentation decks, YouTube thumbnails, email headers, basic video. Canva AI 2.0, which launched in April 2026, puts all of this in one interface without switching applications. Background removal, AI image generation, brand kit, and video are all one click away. The free tier covers everyday visual work. Around 50 AI credits per month is the honest limit, enough for several image generations and a few AI writing tasks. The Pro plan at $15 a month raises that ceiling to 500 credits and adds the full premium asset library. For most content creators and small business owners, Canva Free covers the majority of visual production at zero cost. Third, Notion for every organizational task: notes, project tracking, client databases, knowledge bases, meeting records, process documentation. Notion's free plan gives individual users unlimited pages and unlimited content blocks. For a solo creator or freelancer, the free tier is a complete organizational system. Important clarification on AI: Notion's free plan includes a one-time trial of around 20 AI responses. After that, ongoing AI access requires the business plan at $20 per user per month. The standalone AI add-on is no longer available for new accounts. Use Claude for AI writing tasks. Use Notion's free workspace for everything organizational. The 2 tools together cover what Notion's paid AI tier costs $20 a month to access. Fourth, Cursor AI for every coding task: writing code, debugging errors, refactoring functions, understanding unfamiliar logic, generating tests. Cursor is built on the same foundation as VS Code, with AI woven through the entire experience. The hobby plan is free forever: 2,000 code completions and 50 premium AI requests per month. For someone who codes occasionally or is learning, this is more than adequate. For a developer working on large projects every day, the limit becomes noticeable. That is when the Pro plan at $20 a month makes sense. Whether you code professionally or just occasionally, Cursor's AI explanation layer makes the work meaningfully faster than any editor without it. Fifth, DaVinci Resolve for every video and audio task: professional video editing, color grading, audio post-production, visual effects, and motion graphics, all in one application. All at zero cost. DaVinci Resolve is the standard editing tool across Hollywood feature films and television productions. The free version is not a stripped-down trial. It is the same software. The Studio Edition, at a one-time purchase of $295, adds AI noise reduction and collaboration tools. But the free version handles the full production workflow for most creators. The next major version is currently in public beta and will be a free upgrade for existing users. 5 tools: the complete stack: Claude for thinking and writing, Canva AI for visual production, Notion for organization, Cursor AI for code, DaVinci Resolve for video. Total monthly cost at the free tier, $0. The only upgrades worth considering early are Claude Pro at $20 if you hit daily message limits, and Canva Pro at $15 when AI credits run short. Subscribe for next week's video. Drop a comment. Which tool in this list surprised you most? See you next time.